Choosing between the DJI Air 3S and Mini 4 Pro can be tough. DJI has been on a roll with their recent drone releases, making it hard for both drone fans and travelers to pick the best one. In this video, we'll compare these two impressive drones by looking at their features, performance, and the best situations to use them in. Let's jump right in. Let's start with design and portability, something every drone user thinks about. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a true lightweight, weighing only 249 grams. It's super easy to carry around, and because it's under 250 grams, you can skip most of the strict drone rules in many countries. This makes it perfect for casual users who want to grab their drone and fly without too much hassle. On the other hand, the DJI Air 3S is heavier at 724 grams, meaning you'll need to register it with the FAA in the US or take some certification in places like the UK and EU. But with the extra weight, you get a sturdier build and more advanced tech, which leads us to the next topic, camera performance. If having great camera quality is your main focus, the Air 3S stands out. It has a dual camera system. One is a wide-angle lens with a big 1-inch sensor, and the other is a medium telephoto lens. Both can shoot 10-bit 4K video at 60 FPS. The larger sensor really shines in low-light settings, making the Air 3S a great pick for professional photographers and videographers who need clear, detailed shots in darker environments. You can also shoot raw photos and record slow-motion video at 120 FPS. The Mini 4 Pro, while only having one camera, still performs impressively for its size. It comes with a 1x1.3-inch sensor that can also shoot 4K video at 60 FPS, with the option for 120 FPS slow motion. While it doesn't have the dual camera setup like the Air 3S, the Mini 4 Pro can still capture beautiful footage. For those who prefer simplicity and ease of use, it's an excellent option. Safety is a big deal when flying drones, and both the DJI Mini 4 Pro and Air 3S have lots of features to help keep your drone and surroundings safe. Both drones include DJI's GPS-based return to home and obstacle avoidance systems. However, the Air 3S goes further with LiDAR-powered sensors that provide even better obstacle detection, especially in low-light or difficult areas. It's like having an extra sense when flying, making it the safer choice for more complex shoots. This is great for professionals who need advanced obstacle detection to fly smoothly without crashes. The Mini 4 Pro also has excellent obstacle avoidance in all directions, but because it's smaller and lighter, it's not as strong in windy conditions or tougher environments. Still, the Mini 4 Pro is more than enough for casual users and hobbyists who mainly fly in easier settings. Both drones offer impressive flight times, but the DJI Air 3S has a slight advantage. It can fly for up to 45 minutes on a single charge in ideal conditions, giving you plenty of time to get the perfect shot or explore new areas. Plus, if you get the Fly More combo, it comes with extra batteries, so you can fly even longer without needing to recharge as often. The Mini 4 Pro has a flight time of up to 34 minutes with its regular battery. You can extend it to 46 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, but this will push the drone's weight over 250 grams, meaning you lose the lightweight benefit. Now, let's talk about the price. The DJI Air 3S starts at around $1,099, and if you go for the Fly More combo with the upgraded controller, it'll cost about $1,599. It's a big investment, but you're getting professional-level features like dual cameras, advanced obstacle avoidance, and longer flight times. The Mini 4 Pro is easier on the budget. It starts at $759 with the RC-N2 controller, and the price goes up to $959 for the RC2 controller. If you choose the Fly More combo, it's priced at $1,099, making it a great value for a portable and powerful drone that's easy to carry around and use. So, which one should you get? If you're a traveler, content creator, or professional photographer who needs the best camera and advanced flight features, the DJI Air 3S is worth the higher price and extra paperwork. It's loaded with pro features, making it great for tough environments and capturing amazing footage. On the other hand, if you want something lightweight, easy to fly, and with fewer rules to follow, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a better choice. It's powerful for its size and perfect for beginners or casual users who want great performance without spending too much or carrying heavy gear.